Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the error cells, use Ctrl+F for hash ref, or open formulas error checking. Once found, look at the formula bar to see which sheet or cell is missing. That tells you whether the link, row, or column was deleted. Make a fast copy of the workbook with save as so you can revert if needed. Once done, write down the exact referenced range shown and check if the source workbook is closed, moved, or renamed, because path changes often cause the issue. Next, relink or rebuild the reference. If it points to another workbook, open Data Edit Links and change source to the correct file, then update values. If the sheet name changed, use Find and Replace to correct name tokens in formulas or manually edit the formula to the right sheet. If rows or columns were deleted, recreate the range or replace the broken reference with a robust index/match or structured table reference that won't break. Finish by verifying every repaired cell. Use formulas evaluate formula to step through complex expressions and confirm the output. Once values match expectations, replace volatile or fragile references with named ranges or Excel tables to prevent recurrence. Those adjust automatically when rows move. If something still fails, check for hidden sheets or broken named ranges in Name Manager. One troubleshooting tip: if links refuse to update, close Excel. Reopen both files, then update links again. This clears cached paths and usually resolves stale references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.